So here we are at the Lake Hotel in Tagaytay. So we're at the Junior Suite, room 100. So this is a 60 square room with not functioning jacuzzi. It's one of the old rooms that they have. So it's running and there's water and you can drain the water. They have the shower over there, some toiletries. And outside you have a full view of the lake, but you cannot see a thing right now because it's night time. You have a TV over there, king size bed, aircon. You can see there's a 180 degrees window, a lounge chair, and they have a size square coffee machine and a ref with nothing. So that's it for the room tour at the Lake Hotel. See you next time. So here we are again at the Lake Hotel, and they changed our rooms because the jacuzzi is broken. This is a queen size room, queen size bed with a little view up the front and some lake. So I think this is the only room that's available tonight. This one has a full length mirror, a bathtub instead of a jacuzzi. There's a modernized basin and modernized shower. So little better than the musty one on the junior suite. So that's it. See you in the next video.